Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create the scanning light body effect in CapCut PC. Alright, so select your video or photo you like to edit, and for instance I'm going to select the photo and then go to effect and select body effect, and on the trending you can scroll down until you find the electro-optical scanning. Just download it and add to the track. Can just for the duration in the same way. And thanks for the option right here for the color. Alright, and then twist, range, noise, and then speed. Here we go. So easy. I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. I hope this information was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.